One of the most important aspects of setting up your website is choosing the right keywords to optimize your site for search engines. By doing so, you'll improve your chances of ranking higher in search engine results pages and attracting more organic traffic to your website. Let's discuss a few things to remember. Identify your niche keywords. Choose specific phrases or words that customers will use to search for your specific services. For example, if you offer transmission services, you may use phrases like automatic transmission repair or manual transmission repair. If you provide AC services, be specific and use auto AC repair. Demographics and local SEO. Be sure to address your client base and address their needs. Use location-based keywords to optimize local searches. For example, you may use auto repair near me or auto maintenance in your city-state. It's also important to target the right demographics and address what people are looking for. Be sure to know your client base. Watch the competition. Know what keywords your competitors are targeting and how they are ranking. When choosing keywords, always consider relevance and your customer's perspective. Be an authority on your services and let your keywords reflect your expertise and knowledge in the industry. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more or have a question you would like us to feature in an Autoshop Academy video? Please submit your ideas or questions through the link below or by emailing our team. For more Autoshop Academy videos, please visit our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel.